May I plead the lordship? My lord, in terms of an advertisement, my lord, the petitioners applied for the post of constables in UB and AB, my lord. The advertisement stipulates that 3% post will be reserved for the T-tribe candidate, my lord. And my lord, the cutoff marks for the T-tribe candidate, my lord, the petitioner scored, my lord, more than the cutoff marks, which was fixed for the T-tribe candidate, my lord. But still, my lord, they have not been selected for appearing in the written test, my lord. The cutoff marks that have been fixed for T-tribe candidate, your lordship will find at page 35, my lord.
So you have secured cutoff mark in which test? Now the written test will be held on 6/4/2000.
6-4.
So before that you have obtained cutoff mark in which test?
My lord, there was 3 tests, my lord. PST physical standard test, PET physical efficiency test, and medical test, my lord. And my result is there, my lord.
So we'll have it day after tomorrow. Mr. Chutia, just get the instruction.
Yes, sir.
Why
My
the
lord,
petitioners?
apparently on the face of the documents, my lord, it is clear, my lord. The petitioner belongs to T-tribe candidate. Their candidates are, because the caste certificate submitted by the petitioner, my lord, that caste certificate specifically states that they belong to T-tribe, which is recognized as OBC or MOBC in the state of Assam. So in the result sheet, my lord, result of the petitioners, they have been considered as OBC or MOBC candidate because from the same caste certificate. So it is apparent that
Well, let him obtain instruction. We'll fix it day after tomorrow.
yes, my lord, because the written test is on 6th, my lord.
Yes, if they don't give a satisfactory reply, then we'll ask your clients to be.
Yes, my lord.
Otherwise, if they give a satisfactory reply, it's over.
Yes, my lord.
That's how the court will have to work.
Yes, my lord.
Mr. D.P. Boral and the counsel for the writ petitioners peruse the amendments made in the writ petition. The petitioners claim to be candidates belonging to the T-tribe in Assam, which is counted as an OBC.
OBC/MOBC.
OBC/MOBC category within the state. The grievance of the petitioner is that although they have qualified in the PET, PST and medical test by securing the requisite cutoff mark, the respondents are refusing to allow them to appear in the written test, which is scheduled to be held on 6/4/2025. Hence, this writ petition. Posted. Since the petitioners are complaining that they are not being allowed to participate in the written test despite being qualified, Mr. Chutia and an additional senior government advocate Assam to obtain instruction and respond to the said allegation on the next date fixed. This matter again on 5/4/2025 as a fixed item for motion. 2 extra copies of the writ petition be furnished to the learned government advocate Assam during the course of the day, so as to enable him to obtain written instruction.
My lord, can it be on 4? Because on the next day, it is fixed on 5, my lord. On the next day is
Actually, on 4th. Yes. Make it 4.
Obliged, my lords.